The Homeowners Network Ask the Experts app is changing the way you enjoy your home by providing easy access to our certified home experts. It's like having your own home maintenance professional on staff to answer any question you have about your home anytime. Our experts can help diagnose thousands of home maintenance issues such as electrical, plumbing, air conditioning, preventative maintenance, and more. Just check out how simple it is to get fast, reliable assistance with the Homeowners Network Ask the Experts app. First, your referring professional will have the Homeowners Network send you an email confirming your membership along with your personal login information. You can also register yourself online at homeownersnetwork.com. Next, download the app for your iPhone or Android device. Just type in Homeowners Network in your App Store and it will pop right up. Your website username and password will also open the app. Now you are ready. The next time you have a question about your home, like what to do about that leaky faucet, just remember, the answer is in your pocket. Pull out your mobile device, open the Homeowners Network app, snap a photo, and type in your question. You can submit your question through the app or through your computer. Now sit back and relax while our certified experts diagnose your issue. Your professional, personal response will be delivered shortly. Don't wait. Download the Homeowners Network app today.
Thank you again for choosing Waypoint Property Inspections East. Enjoy your complimentary one-year membership to the Homeowners Network, and congratulations on the purchase of your new home.